Welcome back to my channel. And if you are visiting this space for the first time, you are also highly welcome. This is quiz time. And in this section, we'll be looking at some structured questions that are related to the penis. This will prepare us for questions that are related to the penis in any examination. So ride on with me as we go through this section. And the first question here reads that the penis is an external genitalia organ that is located on the posterior wall of the pelvic cavity. Or is it that the penis should stand erect in an anatomical position? Or is it that the penis is solely a reproductive organ? While the last option here reads that the size of the penis depends on age. So which of these options concerning the penis is correct? So the correct option here is that the penis should stand erect in an anatomical position. For the first option, the penis is an external genitalia organ, but it is located on the anterior wall of the pelvic cavity. So this first option here is incorrect. For the third option, which reads that the penis is solely a reproductive organ, the penis is not solely a reproductive organ, it is also a urinary organ, because we know that the urethra that is seen to line through the shaft or the body of the penis is known to carry semen and also urine. So the penis serves as both a reproductive organ and also a urinary organ. So this option here is also incorrect. For the last option, which reads that the size of the penis depends on age, the penis can assume different sizes that is not dependable on age. So the second question reads that the following are the functions of the penis except that the penis secretes pre-ejaculates? Is it except the fact that the penis acts as a tool for sexual fulfillment? Is it except the fact that the penis is a means of introducing the sperm into the female tract? Or is it except the fact that the penis discharges urine during urination? So all these functions listed here, which of these is incorrect about the penis? And the incorrect option here is the fact that the penis secretes the pre-ejaculate. The pre-ejaculate is secreted or produced by the bulbourethral gland. We've described this gland in our lecture on the deep perineal pouch. Within the deep perineal pouch is where this bulbourethral gland is located. And this is what is responsible for secreting the pre-ejaculate and not the penis. All other options here as it relates to the functions of the penis are correct, except the first option here. So the third question reads that the penis is made up of an internal free and an external fixed part. The penis is made up of an internal fixed and an external free part, or the penis is made up of fixed internal and external parts, or the penis is made up of free internal and external parts. The correct option here is that the penis is made up of an internal fixed part and an external free part. And this is understandable. The fixed region of the penis is the root of the penis, and it is fixed, embedded deep within the superficial perineal pouch. This region of the penis is fixed because it is immobile, while the external part of the penis is the shaft and also the glans penis. And these two sub-regions are free, and the external part because they are seen on the outside. So the penis is structurally made up of an internal fixed part, which is the root of the penis that is attached onto the superficial perineal pouch, and an external free part, which include the shaft and also the glans penis. And these two sub-regions are free and of course are located on the outside. This region are seen on the outside, while the internal region is embedded within the perineal space. For the fourth question, which reads that Dutch impulses cause vasodilation of the arterioles of the penis for erection during arousal. What this question simply means is that what impulses are generated during the process of erection? Is it the parasympathetic impulses? Is it the sympathetic impulses? Is it the somatic impulses? Or is it none of the above? The correct option here is the parasympathetic impulses. So the process of erection of penis is guided or regulated by the parasympathetic nervous system. The fifth question reads that the penis is homologous to dash in female. So in the female, which of these structures has characteristics that relates with the penis? Is it the labia minora? Is it the labial majora? Is it the vestibule? Or is it the clitoris? The correct option here is the clitoris. The clitoris is the homologous structure in female that is related to the penis. The labia minora is the inner lip around the vestibule, while the labial majora is the thicker outer lip that surrounds the vestibule, while the vestibule is the space that is located between the two lips of the labia minora. The clitoris is formed at the upper edge where the labia minora meets, and this is homologous structure that is related to the penis in female. The sixth question, structurally, the penis is made up of what? So what are the structural components of the penis? The first option here reads that 1 corpus cavernosum and 2 corpora sponginosa. The second option here reads that we have 2 corpora cavernosa and 1 corpus sponginosum. The third option reads here that we have 2 corpora cavernosa and 2 corpora sponginosa. What the last option reads here that we have 1 corpus cavernosum and 2 corpora sponginosa. So out of this option, the penis is structurally made up of 2 corpora cavernosa and 1 corpus sponginosum. These are the structural components of the penis. These are erectile tissue that the penis is structurally made up of. The seventh question reads that the urethra passes through the dash of the penis. So what specific region of the penis is the urethra seen to pass through? Is it the corpus cavernosum? Is it the corpus sponginosum? Is it the prepuce? Or is it all of the above? So the correct option here is the corpus sponginosum. The corpus sponginosum is the erectile tissue that is seen to be located at the inferior region of the 2 corpora cavernosa. This corpus sponginosum provides the accommodation site through which the urethra, specifically the spongy or the penile urethra, runs through before they are finally opened through the external urethral orifice on the glans penis. So this structure is seen to allow for the passage of the urethra. The eighth question reads that which of the following statements concerning the ligament supporting the penis is correct? Is it the fact that the suspensory ligament connects the penis to the ischial tuberosity? Is it the fact that the fundiform ligament connects the penis to the linea alba? Or is it the fact that the arcuate ligament connects the penis to the pubic symphysis? Well, lastly, is it the fact that the suspensory ligament connects the penis to the linea alba? The correct option here is that the fundiform ligament connects the penis to the linea alba. We know that the penis also is structurally supported by a number of ligaments. And you see this ligament connecting the penis to the surrounding structure. So the correct option here as it relates to the ligament supporting the penis or connecting the penis to the surrounding structure is the fundiform ligament. This fundiform ligament is seen to connect the penis to the linea alba. And so this is the correct option. The ninth question reads that the following statement concerning the glans penis is correct except, is it except the fact that it is the conical expanded head of the penis? Is it except the fact that the corpus sponginosum expands to form the glans penis? Or is it except the fact that it has an orifice that is known as the external urethral orifice? Or is it except the fact that the glans penis is made up of the corpora cavernosa and also the corpus sponginosum? So which of these options is incorrect or false concerning the glans penis? And the option that is incorrect here is the fact that the glans penis is made up of the corpora cavernosa and also the corpus sponginosum. The glans penis is structurally made up of the corpus sponginosum that is seen to expand at its terminal end, where it becomes enlarged to form a conical expanded end of the penis. And this is what is referred to as the glans penis. This glans penis is also seen to have an orifice that is referred to as the external urethral orifice. This is where the urethra finally opens into. So all these options concerning the glans penis are correct, except the fact that the glans penis is structurally made up of the corpora cavernosa and also the corpus spongiosum. The last question, which reads that the process of ejaculation is controlled by, is it controlled by the somatic innervation? Is it controlled by the parasympathetic innervation? Is it controlled by the sympathetic innervation? Or is it all of the above? The correct option here is sympathetic innervation. Ejaculation is controlled by sympathetic innervation. Remember in our previous slide, where question about erection is raised, we said that erection is under parasympathetic impulses, while ejaculation is controlled by sympathetic innervation. It's good for us to know the specific innervation that is responsible for specific functions that the penis undergoes. Let's have your grades in the comment section, and thanks for watching.